friend? Are you too overrun with the proliferation of those pesky packing pockets, taking up your closet space, hoarding itself in your cupboards, just for the chance that one day you might use them? Here's what I do to wrangle them little critters back into the corral. Run out of storage pockets? No problem. Chop the top off these guys. You can slide them in and out. You're good as new. There you are. Works just the same as the others. Worried about sending your wonderful cards through the postal system? Overseas? Gosh, even domestically. Sometimes you should be. These little puppies can be your solution. Chop a little bit off the one end after you've measured out how much the card slips inside. Pop that card in. Slap that sticky stuff back on top, slip it inside your envelope, and you are good to go.
Where are those going, huh?
We're sending this one across the bridge, and this one is going up north, and that one's going to Denmark.
Oh, beautiful. Nice cards.
Yeah, and these sleeves are going to help when it goes through the mail so that the postal machines don't catch them. So you can see when I put them in like that it's got a little bit more protection.
Nice.
Need a coaster for that spinach chia seed smoothie? This one's it. And what about all those leftover die cuts you've got? Taking up your triangle trays, spilling over from that mountain that you've got in the corner of your craft desk? Well, these ones are gonna just fix that whole situation for you. Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose here. I just wanted to get up a quick video before I start on the 30 days of crafting for August. Thanks everybody for watching and subbing. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.